This example asks us to find a couple terms for a given recurrence relation. So we're going to let an be a sequence that satisfies the recurrence relation an equals an minus 1 plus 3 for n equals 1, 2, 3, and so on, and a0 is equal to 2. We want to find a1, a2, and a3. So just going to write this down. An is equal to an minus 1 plus 3, as long as n is greater than or equal to 1, as long as it's an integer greater than or equal to 1. So a0 is given as 2, it's part of the problem, and then a1, this is when I start using that recurrence relation. a1 is going to be a0 plus 3, because I'm using this right here. a1 is a0 plus 3 because an is defined as an minus 1 plus 3. So I use an index smaller than this one right here, which is going to give us a0 is 2, that was given, plus 3, so 5. a1 is 5. a2 is going to be a1 plus 3, because of the same reasoning as before. A2 is going to be a1 plus 3 because this was the recurrence relation. So we just saw that a1 was 5, so 5 plus 3 is 8, so there's my next term, and then a3, play the same exact game as a2 plus a3, so that is 8 plus 3, which is 11. So summing all of this up, a1 was 5, a2 was 8, and a3 was 11.